Welcome back to Yadi Talk and Introduction. Remember, I told you that this video, that my next video is going to drop like a bomb. Well, it has been dropped. Right. First and foremost, I want to sincerely thank all my subscribers, all who liked my video and all who shared my video. I thank you all so much. So continue liking, continue sharing, and continue subscribing to my videos. Thank you all so much. Without further ado, let us get into the the video. All right. First, we're going to start with some Jamaican slang. What I'm going to start with first, I'm going to let you know all the slangs that we use in Jamaica. Some of the slangs that we use in Jamaica, because this video has to be a one and two parts, because I'm not going to do everything in this one part. Because what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to show you how realistically how the Jamaicans use these slangs, how youths use them, how adults use them, so that you'll be able to know how exactly to use these slangs. Right? So let us get into it. Yes, let us get into it. Yeah. All right. One, the slang goody and goodas. Right? Goody and goodas. This is a greeting in Jamaica. For friends, we use it to greet each other, right? For instance, when you see a friend coming, you're like, Wagwan goodas, Wagwan goody, you alright? You get me? This is how we speak. Goody, goodas, Wagwan. Yes, this is how we use that slang in Jamaica. And the two slang, goody, is actually what we call, yeah, you're like your friend attack to you. Goodas is a different sort of slang, different type of slang as it relates to greetings, because the goody them now, as what we say in Jamaica, the hyper and the hotter set of girl them, right? So that's how we use that slang, right? And note briefly, males, man in a Jamaica, no use them slang here to greet them one another. These slangs are only used by females to greet each other. Alright? Alright, you have another thing where the man, alright, where the man them use now when them talk to one another, and for instance them walk off. Yeah, for instance, them see one another. Wagwan, big man, you're good. Right? These are slang that Jamaica. It's a greeting. These are male slangs. Wagwan, big man, you're good. Wagwan, chap, you're good. Right? These are slangs that Jamaican use. It's a greetings. These are slangs for greetings. Right? And when they're like stepping off, when the males are stepping off, they'll say things like, "No say a word, big man. No say a word." Right? It's actually telling you that they're gone. Right? And the other thing is that when you're talking to Jamaicans, you'll hear them sometimes say, me fi tell you, me fi tell you. Right? What this actually means is that they're agreeing to what you're saying. Right? It's rhetorical. Right? So don't use it. It is used to actually tell the person that you're agreeing with what they're saying. Right? So when a Jamaican look at you and he say to you, say, you say something to him and he say, me fi tell you, he's actually agreeing, he's agreeing with you. And you have the other side of Jamaican, the other thing in Jamaica, this is very, very, very important. Jamaicans are very, very homophobic, especially the youths in Jamaica. They're very homophobic. So things that you say to them, you have to be careful the things that you say to a Jamaican male. Right? So Normally, when you say things to Jamaican male, you will hear them say, "Why dog? Why pan that?" Right? It is something you have said that they regard in a homosexual way. Right? So them say, "Why pan that?" For instance, a Jamaican will say to another Jamaican, jokingly, they'll say, "We got the bottom at the bottom for take up to I got the bottom for take up something." You hear them, "Why dog? Why pan that? Why pan your argument?" Right? Because the person used the word bottom. Right? You have another thing too when we have parish capital, parishes like Mandeville, right? Like Manchester, right? For example, Manchester, right? Jamaicans don't say Manchester, them say Galchester, right? So and them not say Mandeville, them say Galdeville. So these are some of the things that they use to refer. So when you hear a Jamaican say Galdeville, it is not that the Jamaican, and you might not understand because you know the parish to be Mandeville, is actually Mandeville they are referring to, right? And if you hear them say Galchester, it's actually Manchester that they are referring to, right? But because Jamaicans are at times so homophobic, they don't like to call the males don't like to call the man on their words, right? So these are some Jamaican slangs, right? I will teach you them step by step. This video will come in a two parts. This is the first part. The second part, I'm going to let you see how these slangs are used in Jamaica. When, for instance, like males are talking to each other or females are talking to each other, greeting each other and so on, I'm going to show you how it is done with these slangs. Alright? And I thank you again, and I want you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, right? Because without you, I would be nowhere. And I told you that this video is going to jump like a boom. Yes, right? So guess what? That's it for my video today on Jamaican slang. I hope you learned something, and I hope you subscribe to my video. Bye everyone, and thank you. Have a nice day.